Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make these easy smothered oxtails. So let's get into it. It was so easy to make, very delicious and perfect for any day of the week. Of course, you guys know I'm going to wash my oxtails. I wash everything. So these are my oxtails right here. The purpose of washing meat, you guys, first of all, I was taught to wash meat from my grandmother and my mother. It's not to kill bacteria. You know, once meat is spoiled, it's spoiled. It's to get like the dirt and the gunk off the oxtails, because you don't know how people manage the oxtails once they, chop it down and package it to you. So anyway, after I let the vinegar and the lemon soak onto the oxtails for about 10 minutes, I rinse it off just like this. And it's nice and clean, and I'm happy with it. And this is how it looks. So anyway, now I'm going to season this up with my own spice, Spicy Girl. You already know. You could get that off my website. The link will be below. I'm also going to add lots of dried thyme down in here and some scotch bonnet hot pepper sauce and some salt. Mix that up and allow it to marinate. Next, I'm going to sear my oxtails just like this in a screaming hot pan, because I really want to get deep flavor into my oxtail. Well, it's not screaming hot. It's hot enough. I'm on number 7 or 6. Number 6, I think. And I'm just searing it to get a nice deep color on it, because I'm not going to use any artificial coloring or flavoring here. Just natural juices from the pan and everything to get that nice brown color that we all love. So these are the rest of the ingredients. We have onions, garlic, flour, and cream of mushroom soup. I'm only going to use half of that. It's a 10-ounce can, so I'm going to use half of it. This is what your pot will look like. Tore the hell up. Do not get rid of that gunk. Well, it's not gunk, but fond. And I did pour the oil off and added a couple tablespoons of butter. Now I'm going to saute the garlic and the onion just like this. And you see how it's picking everything up off the bottom of the pan. Now this is about 3 minutes later, and you see how beautiful that is. No, I didn't add anything. That's, So next I'm going to add the flour down in here and mix that up. I'm cooking it out for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm going to add my chicken stock. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so not to worry. You want to mix this up like this to mix up the flour and everything. Get it nice and combined. The color is already pretty. Next, I'm going to add my half a can of cream of mushroom soup. I added this because I wanted it to give it more body and flavor. And I honestly wanted mushrooms in my gravy, but I didn't have any. So I saw the cream of mushroom in my cabinet, and I said, why not? I'm going to season this up with more Spicy Girl, and then I'm going to start adding my oxtails right back down into the pot just like this. My stove will be on number 3, which is low. And I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'm going to finish it up and show you guys what it looks like and what I do with it. I did add a half a bottle of water and covered it. After 2 hours, I'm going to add these peppers right here. I have red and green bell peppers, but they're optional. So this is my oxtails after 2 hours cooking on low heat. I didn't bother it. Don't touch it. Don't nothing. Leave it alone. So now I'm going to add my peppers and re-season. Make sure you taste your gravy at this point. If you need salt, pepper, Spicy Girl, or your favorite seasoning, this is when you would add it. So I re-seasoned everything until it was perfect for me, covered it, and let it continue cooking another 30 minutes. And I'm going to plate it up and let you guys see what it looks like. The oxtail was so tender, you guys. The gravy was nice and rich and delicious. And this was actually my husband's plate. And he loved it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will have recipe number 6, Thanksgiving series edition, up on this weekend, so make sure you come back and check that out. And I appreciate your support. Thank you, guys.